Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the most important questions from the Governor Generals and Viceroys of India during the British rule for RRB, NTPC, SSC, CGL and other competitive exams. Let us start the video. Which British Governor General introduced postage stamp in India? Lord Dalhousie. Who developed the Raithwari system? Thomas Munro. Chowri Chowra incident in 1922 happened during the reign of Lord Reading. The system of budget was introduced in India during the Viceroy of Lord Canning. Sati was abolished by William Bentinck. Which Governor General is known as Liberator of Indian Press? Lord Metcalfe. Who introduced diarchy system in Bengal? Robert Clive. Who is called as Company Akbar? Lord Wellesley. Who of the following was the target of an assassination attempt in the Delhi conspiracy case headed by Raj Bihari Bose in 1911? Lord Hardinge. Who was the first Governor General of Bengal? Warren Hastings. The English was made as the official language of India under the reign of which Governor General? Lord William Bentinck. Who was the first Governor General of India? William Bentinck. The partition of Bengal in 1905 was effected by Lord Curzon. The Governor General who suppressed robbers called Pindaris. Lord Hastings. The first Viceroy of India was Lord Canning. Who was the Governor General of India during the First Anglo-Sikh War? Lord Hardinge. Who was the Governor General of India during the revolt of 1857? Lord Canning. Who was the first Governor General of Indian Independent India? Lord Mountbatten. Who among the following is popularly known as Father of Civil Services in India? Lord Cornwallis. Who among the following Governor General introduced the policy of doctrine of lapse during the British administration? Doctrine of lapse was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. During whose viceroyalty the capital of India was shifted from Calcutta to Delhi? Lord Hardinge. The Governor General who established Public Works Department? Lord Dalhousie. Under whose Governor Generalship was the Vernacular Press Act was passed in the year 1878? Lord Lytton. Indian Railways and Telegraph Services were started during the reign of Lord Dalhousie. Revolt Act 1919 was enacted during the period of Lord Chelmsford. Permanent Revenue Settlement of Bengal was introduced by Lord Cornwallis. The Treaty of Srirangapatnam was between Tipu Sultan and Cornwallis. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of formation of the Indian National Congress? Lord Dufferin. Remember, Indian National Congress was formed in the year 1885. Lord Cornwallis is known for Permanent Revenue Settlement of Bengal. Who among the following is known as Father of Local Self-Government in India? Lord Ripon. That's all, friends. The questions that are not covered in this video are covered in the comment section box. For more updates, subscribe my channel.